Have did height of instrument method. Now we will solve the rise and fall method. Rise and fall method. So here first we need to draw the tabular form as per the how we have drawn for the height of instrument method. Previously there, here one more column will be adding here, right? First one is back side, second one is intermediate side, third one is foresight. Next, rise is considered as positive, fall is considered as negative, right? Or else next, remark if any. Remark if any. ఇది కూడా కౌంట్ అవుతుంది, రైట్? Right, first value, first backside value 0.785, next 1.535, next intermediate side value 1.955, 2.430, right? Next 2.985, next foresight value 3.480, next 1.155 should be placed in back side, next intermediate value 1.960, next 2.365, next 3.640, right? Back side value should be placed in 0.935, right? Next intermediate value 1.045, right? .045, 1.630, and last value is 2.545 is our last foresight value. Now we will find out the how to find the rise, how to find the fall by using the RL of benchmark, that is 180.00 meter, that is the benchmark value, right? First we will be finding the rise or fall at point at first point, right? Please remember, at this position you will not be having any rise or fall. This will be in the 0 position, that will be our initial point, right? So how to find out the rise or fall? See here you are having back side, intermediate side, this minus this, again this minus this, like this. See here, for finding the rise or fall at first point, what will be the formula? Backside minus intermediate side or foresight. So here what I am taking, backside 1 minus intermediate side 1, I am taking, what is the value? 0.785 minus 1.35. So right, obviously this is the lower value, this is the higher value, you will be getting 0.785 minus 1.535 will give you, what is the value here? 0.75 negative. So negative means obviously it falls under the fall. 0.75, right? Next we need to find out the RL of second point. RL of second point, rise or fall at the second point, RL at the second station, as it is negative, right? RL of first point means that will be the benchmark. Here plus or minus, rise or fall. Here we got the fall. RL of first point is how much? 180.00 minus 0.75. What is the value here? 180.00 minus 0.75 will give you how much? 179.250 meters. So right here the value is 179.250, right? I hope the concept is clear to everyone. Right? Next, here rise or fall. Third point will be intermediate site 1 minus intermediate site 2. So what is the value here? 1.535 minus 1.955 will give you how much? 1.535 minus 1.955 will give you the value of 0.42, that too negative here. Again the value will be in fall, right? So what will be the next one? RL of third point. So what will be the RL of third point? RL of second point minus plus or minus rise or fall, right? What is the RL of second station here? 179.250 minus 0.42. 179.250 minus 0.42 will give you how much? 178.830 meters. 178.830, right? Next we need to find out the rise or fall fourth point, right? Here next we need to take out the value between these both, right? Previously we have taken at these both. So right, 1.955 minus 2.430 will give you how much? 1.955 minus 2.430, right? So here again the value is 0.475 negative. Again this value will be in fall, 475. Now we need to find the RL of fourth point. So what will be the value? RL of third point minus fall, right? So what will the value here? Plus or minus rise or fall, right? Here how much? 178.830 minus 0.475, right? 178.830 minus 0.475. What is the value here? 178.355 meters. 178.355 meters. So right, like this we need to solve the problem. Next, the rise or fall at the which point? Rise or fall at fifth point. Fifth point will be this one, right? 2.430 minus 2.985. Again you will be getting here, because this is the lower minus higher. Right, here you are getting 0.55 negative, right? So here again it is placed in the false column, right? Next we need to find out the RL of fifth point. So that will be how much? 178.355 minus 0.555, right? So that will be 178.355 minus 0.555, right? What is the value here? 177.800 meters, right? 177.800. Next, find out RL of rise or fall sixth point, right? So what will be the sixth point here? Now the sixth point will be between this, right? 2.985 minus 3.480, right? So what will be the value here? Again, lesser value minus higher value, right? 0.50 negative, right? Again it is under fall, right? Now we need to find the RL of sixth point. So what it will be? 177.80 minus how much? 0.50. So what will be the value here? 177.80 minus 0.50, that will give you 177.30 meters. So right, place the value here, 177.300 meters. Now we have completed one cycle, right? Now again we'll start one more cycle, because here the station you have changed, that is considered as change point 1. Now again you need to deduct like this. Again we need to follow the cycle like this. This will be one more cycle. Now you need to deduct like this, right? Here this is the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Now we will be taking seventh one, right? Rise or fall of seventh point, how much, right? 1.155 minus 1.960. Again you will be getting the fall value, because here all are the lesser values minus 55 minus 1.960 will give you how much? 0.805 negative, right? Place that value here, 0.805 5. Right? What is the RL of 7th point? 177.300 minus 0.805. Right? 177.300 minus 0.805. So how much it will be? 176.495. So that will be 176.495. Right? Next, RL of rise or fall of 8th point. What will be the 8th point here? 1.960 minus 2.365 will give you 1.960 minus 2.365 will give you how much? 0.405. That is again negative. Place the value here, 405. Right? Next, RL of 8th point is how much? 176.495 minus 0.405. So what is the value here? 176.495 minus 0.405. So right here it will be the value 176.090 meters. Right? 176.090 meters. Next again we need to find for the 9th point. Rise or fall of 9th point. So what will be the value here? That is 2.365 minus 3.640. 2.365 minus 3.640. That will give you how much? Again negative value 1.275. Right? Place this value here, 1.275. Next, RL of 9th point is how much? 176.090 minus 1.275 will give you how much? Will give you 174.815 meters. 174.815. Right? Here we have finished one more cycle, 7th, 8th, 9th. Right? Here to here, here to here, here to here. 3 you have got. Next we need to do this one. Right? This will be 10th, this will be 11th point, this will be 12th point. Here I have considered first backside also 1 point, for that you are getting 12 points. In the height of instrument you have got only 11, right? Now rise or fall of 10th point will give you how much? 0.935 minus 1.045. 0.935 minus 1.045. That will be 0.11 negative. Again place the value in fall. Right? RL of 10th point will give you how much? 174.815 minus 0.110. 174.815 minus 0.11 will give you how much? Next we need to do for the last two. RL of rise or fall of 11th point, that is 1.045 minus 1.630 will give you how much? 1.045 minus 1.630, 0.585 negative, right? 0.585. RL of point 11, RL of 11th point will give you 174.705 minus 0.585, right? 174.705 minus 0.585, 174.120 meters, 174.120 meters rise or fall of last point will be 1.630 minus 2.545. So what will be the value here? 1.630 minus 2.545 will give you how much? 0.915 negative, right? 0.915 negative, right? Next, RL of last point will be how much? 174.120 minus 0.915, 174.120 minus how much? 0.915 will give you how much? 173.205 meters, 173.205, right? Now again we need to go for the check. Here we need to go for the check. Previously we have did the check, right? Previously for the height of instrument we did the check. Here how many cycles we did? We did 3 cycles. This will be your change of point 2. Now we need to go for the check, right? For rise and fall method there will be a little change, that is summation of back side minus summation of foresight equal to summation of rise minus summation of fall equal to last RL minus first RL, right? What will be the summation of back side? 0.785 plus 1.155 plus 0.935, 3.875 minus, what is the back foresight here, 3.480 minus, sorry, plus 3.640 plus 2.545, 9.665. Right, now we need to go for the summation of rise. Here we does not have any rise, completely fall, right? Summation of fall, 0.75 plus 0.42 plus 0.475 plus 0.555 plus 0.50 plus 0.805 plus 0.405 plus 1.275 plus 0.11 plus 0.585 plus 0.915. What is the last RL? 173.205 minus 179.250. 173.205 minus 173. So last RL is 173.205 minus 179. First RL is how much? 180.00. 180.00. Right, here how much? This value is minus 6.795, means minus, next here also minus 6.795, here 2.875 minus 9.665 will give you how much? This is also minus, right? Approximately we are getting same values we need to. So obviously this will be fall, this will be fall, and this will be fall. Whatever we have did, whatever this, both the all the three values are same. So whatever we did, that is correct. Here whatever the land you have selected, that is continuously falling down, means you will be getting the slope here. The whatever the ground we have selected, that is sloping ground, right? This is all for this class. Please practice the problems, right? I will be giving you the assignment. Thank you.